Hi everybody, it's Linnea here for Trinity Stamps with another product close-up video from the October 2021 release. This Christmas Cowlers 4x4 stamp set and coordinating die set is absolutely adorable. It features this trio of singing cows, and then there are also four sentiments: have herself a dairy little Christmas, Moo-ey Christmas, and a happy Moo Year, and then here we come a cowling. It's absolutely adorable. You can color these cows any way you want. You know, the traditional black and white cow, the brown cow, a cream colored cow, however you want to color these cute little cows that are out and about caroling is super cute. The trio of cows measures about 3 inches wide by 2.75 inches tall. And here are some projects from the design team showing how you can use these little cows from the Christmas Cowlers stamp set in a variety of different styles and color combinations. Thank you guys so much for watching this product close-up video. Coming up on the screen here are 2 additional product close-up videos from the Trinity Stamps October 2021 release that I thought you would like. Thanks for watching. Bye!